Join me as I dive deep into the future of Rklb stock and try to predict where it's headed next. Rklb stock has been making waves in the current market, and its importance cannot be overstated. As a key player in its sector, Rklb stock has been closely watched by investors and analysts alike, making it a crucial component of many portfolios. Rklb stock is facing significant challenges, particularly when it comes to market volatility. The stock's value has been fluctuating wildly, making it difficult for investors to predict its future trajectory. This volatility is largely due to the sector's competitive nature, where companies are constantly vying for market share. Rklb stock's competitors have been aggressively expanding their operations, putting pressure on Rklb to keep up. The company's financial health is also a concern, with some investors worrying about its ability to weather the current economic climate. Despite these challenges, Rklb stock has shown resilience, and its adaptability will be crucial in overcoming the obstacles it faces. One major challenge Rklb stock is facing is the rapidly changing landscape of its sector. New technologies and innovations are emerging all the time, and companies that fail to keep pace risk being left behind. Rklb stock's ability to innovate and stay ahead of the curve will be essential in maintaining its position in the market. The impact of global events on Rklb stock's performance is another significant challenge. Economic downturns, trade wars, and other external factors can all have a major impact on the stock's value, making it essential for investors to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. Recent developments regarding Rklb stock have been closely watched by investors and analysts. The company's latest financial reports have shown promising signs, with revenues increasing and costs decreasing. Market trends have also been favorable, with the sector as a whole experiencing significant growth. Expert opinions have been divided, however, with some predicting a bright future for Rklb stock and others warning of potential pitfalls. The company's recent expansion into new markets has been a major talking point, with many investors seeing it as a sign of Rklb's ambition and willingness to take risks. The success of this expansion will be crucial in determining the stock's future trajectory. Rklb stock's financial health has been a topic of discussion, with some investors worrying about its debt levels and others praising its cash flow management. The company's ability to balance its finances will be essential in maintaining investor confidence. The role of institutional investors in shaping Rklb stock's future cannot be overstated. These investors have significant influence over the stock's price and can often dictate its direction, making it essential for individual investors to stay informed about their activities. The future trajectory of Rklb stock is uncertain, but there are some critical insights that could impact investors. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions will be essential in determining its success. The impact of global events on the stock's performance will also be crucial, with investors needing to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. One potential scenario for Rklb stock is a significant increase in value, driven by the company's expansion into new markets and its ability to innovate. This would be a welcome development for investors, who have been waiting for the stock to reach its full potential. Another possible scenario is a decline in value, driven by the company's failure to adapt to changing market conditions and its inability to compete with its rivals. This would be a major setback for investors, who would need to reassess their portfolios and consider their options. The most likely scenario, however, is a steady increase in value, driven by the company's steady performance and its ability to balance its finances. This would be a welcome development for investors, who would see their investments grow steadily over time. The main points to take away from this discussion are that Rklb stock is facing significant challenges, but it also has tremendous potential. The company's ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions will be essential in determining its success. Investors need to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments and be prepared for any eventuality. If you've made it this far, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below and check out my other videos for more insights into the world of finance and investing.